Hi there, welcome to another Gradelink websites tutorial video. I'm going to go through a very simple step, which is on your faculty and staff directory. How do you expand the amount of people that are shown on the directory? We have another tutorial video that shows you how to order them, but this one is exclusively to show you how do we make sure that everyone's profiles are showing up. So the first step would be on this team or faculty and staff page, click Enable Visual Builder. Once that loads up, then you'll see that the directory is all within a single module and you get all the global settings there. So we're going to select that module, which is this one right here. You won't see the profile images when in the editor here. Click on module settings and we're going to scroll down a bit through the settings, and after closing this toggle you'll see we have the main options, so you can actually click to close the main options. What we're looking for is called loop options. Click on loop options and then you'll see here is the post count. We can expand this to 100, as it's probable that you don't have 100 staff members at your school unless you're a very large school, in which case you can expand it beyond that. But 100 is a pretty good number and it also shouldn't overload the page. Then we're going to go ahead and click on the global menu here and click on the green check mark or the save button until we see a check mark to save changes. And then we should be able to see that all of the profiles that are published are present. Thanks for watching this video, and if you need any assistance, please reach out to Gradelink website support.